Hello everyone, welcome to Shastra Saundarya. Now today we are going to talk about breath, the importance of breath, the benefits of breathing. You see, in this kind of an atmosphere, when you take full breath, you experience something different. Yes, breathing is very important for us. Breathing is very important for every individual. And if he breathes properly, no disease, no illness is going to come closer to him. And so in yoga, they teach pranayam. But before going to the pranayam, it is very important that we learn to breathe. Once we know to breathe, only then can we accomplish and can we master pranayam. Because air is the important factor. Mass is little, water is somewhat larger than the mass or matter, and air is biggest because it fills the entire space. One can live without food or without water for even days, but yes, he can't live without air. And so breathing, it's a must. We must know to breathe properly. Till the age of 3, we did breathe properly. But after that, as we get to know the material world, our breathing becomes shallower and shallower. So let's start learning how to breathe properly, and then we will move on to pranayam.